Hello there everyone, and welcome back. We have been having some really beautiful spring weather here in the UK, and so today I was inspired to share with you a simple and beloved recipe that I love to craft, a rosewater toner. This is a very simple thing to make for yourself. It's completely natural and so good for your skin. Rose has healing and soothing properties and also smells absolutely divine. Now, as you can see, I'm also growing my own roses currently, but as they're not quite ready yet, today I'm using some dried organic petals that I bought. And so using either fresh or dry is absolutely fine. If you do, however, want to work with fresh rose petals, make sure you have ones that were not sprayed with any chemicals. So, to begin, I'm using a ratio of 1 to 3 of rose petals to water. So for this recipe, I'm using 1/3 cup of dried petals, or around 3 heaped tablespoons, along with 1 whole cup of water. If you have distilled water, that's wonderful, and if not, then filtered water works just fine. If you're using fresh petals, just give them a little rinse before using them. Add the petals and the water to a pan and simmer the petals on a low heat for around 25 to 30 minutes, or until the petals have turned a pale colour and the colour of the water has also changed. Now just let this cool down completely. When it's cool, you can now transfer the liquid into any clean container you wish to use. I like to use these little glass spray bottles, and as this is fresh material, I normally keep this in the fridge and use it up in about a week or so. I love to spray the rose water on my face in the morning or evening, or any time my skin feels a little dry. You can also spray a little on your pillows for a nice relaxing scent, and even carry it with you on the go. It's so handy. And that's it. A beautiful and easy way for a little daily herbal magic. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and let me know in the comments below or over on Instagram if you like to make your own rose water and how you like to do it. I hope you have a wonderful day or night, and I'll see you in my next video.